Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be reacting to another food video. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, I've been doing well with these videos, okay? Show me some love. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? Let's get to it. Just so y'all know, this is a blind reaction video. Because I saw the beginning and I was like, I don't need to see no more. Let me just watch it. Okay. Tortilla ground beef. Personally, I would have cooked the ground beef before I put it on there, but that's just me. A block of cheese. Now, you see, I don't know what it is with TikTokers. Everything they cook, there has to be a block of cheese somewhere. Then after the block of cheese comes a singles, like the Kraft singles, or a whole bunch of shredded cheese. Like, for what? Cheese doesn't need to be in everything. Okay, salsa, refried beans, more cheese. That looks like mayo or sour cream. I don't know, because she doesn't say. Taco seasoning, okay. You know it's gonna have flavor. Why is the corn so hard? Sounds like it knocked a couple teeth out. More taco seasoning, okay. You know it's gonna have some tip. There goes the shredded cheese. What'd I tell y'all? What'd I tell y'all? Always shredded cheese. Come on. Come on now. Where's the gloves? Listen to the corn. At least put some gloves on if you're gonna do this, because based on how big that thing is, I know she's not just making it for herself. Put some gloves on. Like this, like you are nasty. She is making me cringe because this is disgusting. You don't just put your hands in there and do all that. Come on now. Half the taco seasoning sitting on. Is that blood? What the heck is that? I don't know what that is. It looks too like runny for tomato sauce, so what the heck is that? Either way, not my business. I ain't the one eating it. Taco shells, okay. All that taco seasoning sitting on top of the cheese. Lord knows I don't know what this woman got going on. Like, it literally looks disgusting. Wait. What's on the tortilla? Back up a little bit. Back that thing up a little bit. Because if she's just about to put it on there, what's on top of it? Same thing with the other one. Maybe she just brushed a little, maybe she just brushed something on there. Okay. I don't think I would put the tortillas underneath, because with all that liquid, I feel like it's probably going to be soggy. I don't know. But all the liquids and stuff on top of it, I feel like the bottom part is going to be soggy, but whatever. I don't know why she need more on top. You got a whole bunch already. And I wouldn't put any more on top because you have that big block of cheese in the middle. How's it gonna melt if you have the tortilla on top? Okay, you got it. Go ahead, ma'am. Stove clean though. That's good.
That's heavy.
I bet.
Okay. So now when you take it out of the oven,
listen to that tortilla, how hard it is. Like, it's...
Now this is for if you've got a big party coming. It's Super Bowl Sunday, and you...
Who's going to eat this and enjoy it when the tortilla is so hard? Okay, Super Bowl
You
Sunday.
need something to cook. This is easy. Listen to
Okay,
this.
you need something to cook Super Bowl Sunday. Okay. Make sure you don't have dentures because you won't be able to chew the tortilla on top. Got it. That's what the block of cheese is sitting in the middle. What was the point of that cheese?
And is it
especially when you have all the other cheese in there already?
So, it can be whatever you want it to be. You want this to be a dip? It's a dip. You want this to be, like a pie, like a hot dish? It's a hot dish. The reason I have put the big cheese in the middle is for vegetarians.
I know this heifer did not just say, she put the cheese in the middle for vegetarians. You mean after you put all the ground beef on the cheese, you left it in the middle for the vegetarians? After all that ground beef touched the cheese, the vegetarians are going to take that cheese and eat it. Yes, ma'am, I got you.
Have the meat. Remember, I moved all the meat aside?
No, you did not. The meat is still right there.
About anything else.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's not even cooked. The thing gonna be mooing in their stomachs. It's so raw. When you moo, it's a cow in your stomach because the beef is uncooked. Look at that. And she wants to give the middle with all this blood and stuff to the vegetarians. Okay.
Now this is a little underdone.
You think?
So should I cook it longer?
Yes, you should.
Do you think I need to cook it longer?
Yes. Put it right back in the oven.
You can eat meat like that, right? It's just...
Yes, people eat steak like that, the medium rare and whatever. I don't. Growing up, I was taught your meat needs to be cooked all the way through. I don't. This is not steak. This is ground beef. This needs to go back in the oven for at least 20 minutes.
It's just medium rare. Okay, I think it's okay.
No, it's not. Okay. Okay, this part's for the vegetarians, okay? So if you're a vegetarian, you're good because your part is cooked. All you get is cheese. So make sure when you go to the Super Bowl party, you sit close to the toilet. So when you get all this cheese in your stomach, you start having the bubble guts, you can go to the bathroom. And it's right there. You know, you ain't got to worry about nobody else going into the bathroom before you. You're close to the bathroom already.
That's so cheesy.
Right,
Yeah,
for the vegetarians.
I don't think the meat is cooked.
It's not.
Either, but the rest of it is good.
Listen.
So just more time in the oven.
Listen to the person recording. The rest of it is good. Okay.
Maybe covering it with tin foil. Yeah, maybe just cook the meat a little more.
Lord have mercy on my soul. Look at the piece that's for the vegetarians. Look at all the raw beef sitting on the bottom. She said that's for the vegetarians. Don't put this woman in the kitchen no more.
That looks a little raw.
She don't need to be in the kitchen. There's nothing wrong with doing a little bit of experiment. I experiment. But I was taught how to cook from a very young age. So I know how long I need to leave something in the oven to make sure it's cooked. Also know how long I should leave something on the stove to make sure it's cooked. She doesn't know anything about the kitchen, so she doesn't need to be in there. She is going to end up killing somebody with that catastrophe that she got right there. Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. These people are disgusting.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.